Hey friends, my name is Mike Rivera. I'm a certified travel consultant, certified travel agent with Paycation Travel. And I'm here to break it down for you. I'm here to give you the simple facts of our program, our company, as well as our compensation. So let's just dive right into this program. First of all, we need to understand the relationships of our companies. At the top, we have our CEO and founder, Mr. David Manning. And Mr. Manning has a tremendous amount of experience, decades of experience in travel and what we call network marketing compensation programs. So, what we're going to do at this point in time is going to show you the breakdown of the companies. We have Paycation Travel. And we also have Extreme Travel. So we have Paycation Travel and we have Extreme Travel. Well, Extreme Travel is the actual travel agency, and Paycation Travel is the marketing arm for Extreme Travel. So that's the relationship that we have here. Extreme Travel is where our IATA and CLIA number are with, and Paycation Travel is the marketing department of Extreme Travel. All right, and they're all owned by Mr. David Manning. So let's move forward. There are really two main positions to do business with Extreme Travel or Paycation Travel. And those two positions are CTC and RTC. CTC stands for Certified Travel Consultant, and RTC stands for Referral Travel Consultant. And let's see what the two can do. What CTCs can do is they can refer their clients, their customers, their friends, their family, everyone that they know, they can refer them to their booking engine. What's a booking engine? A booking engine is similar to, if you went to Expedia.com, Kayak.com, Priceline.com, those are booking engines, all right, where they can book hotels, airfare, rent-a-cars, vacation packages, cruises. Those are your booking engine, your web portal. Now, our booking engine is actually powered by a $10 billion company. That company is very well known. That company is Priceline.com. So Priceline.com powers our booking engine. We can offer the same rates to our clients that Priceline, Kayak, AAA, and all of these major booking engines can offer. So instead of them going to those engines, they can now go to your portal, do business with you, and now help out a friend, family member, increase their family revenues, and they're still doing the same thing. They're still booking travel. They're still getting good rates, but now they're helping you out, okay? And that's important. Now, as a CTC, you have an added advantage. You actually have the opportunity to book travel directly with all the vendors, okay? So now if you want to go and work with Princess Cruise Line, Royal Caribbean, Disney Cruise Line, if you want to work with Sandals Resorts, or directly with the hotels or car rentals, you now have the ability to work directly with these vendors and get better rates for your clients. So that's the opportunity with the CTC, is you can work directly with the vendors. You actually get certified as a certified travel agent with Extreme Travel. So those are the main benefits from the customer standpoint when working as a CTC. Now, working as an RTC, you also have a booking engine. So you have the exact same booking engine. All right? Now, why would someone choose to become an RTC versus a CTC? Really, it's going to be geographic location. Everyone that has the ability to be a CTC in the United States and the UK will probably most likely pick their option to become a certified travel consultant. And for those individuals who live in other countries where we cannot be a CTC because we don't have the certifications in those countries, then you become an RTC. And what that allows you to do is still book travel through your booking engine, right? And at the same time, you can still go ahead and work with the vendors. However, you have to work with the vendors through Extreme Travel, meaning that instead of you working directly with the vendors, you would refer those clients to Extreme Travel, our travel department. And our travel department will do the packages for you and then help book that client. And you'll still make commissions, okay? So those are the two main differences. The CTC has a booking engine and can work directly with the vendors. The RTC has a booking engine and can work with the vendors through Extreme Travel, our department, our corporate travel department. So that's the differences. Obviously, there's an additional difference, is what we call our cost factor, okay? So let's talk about the differences in cost between CTC and RTC. So as a CTC, the initial startup cost is $149.95. All right, and let's break it down. Really, the $149.95 includes all your dues, right? All your fees, your certification fees, your annual dues, everything that's in there, $149.95. And it also includes the $59.95 monthly fees. All right? So we have a $59.95 monthly fee. Ladies and gentlemen, friends, I just want to let you know that is our only overhead expense in our business. It's less than $2 a day. We pay $149.95 when we get started. It already includes the $59.95 in the $149.95. All right? So your startup cost is really $90. Now, the $59.95 includes everything that you need, your certification to be certified travel agent with Extreme Travel and Paycation. It gives you the back office. It gives you all the powerful engine to work with, that Priceline engine. It gives you everything that you need to do your business. There's nothing else to purchase. There are no points, products, or other services that are required on your behalf in order to generate revenues with a Paycation travel opportunity. And that's big because a lot of these opportunities out there require you to purchase things just so you can go out there and make commissions. And at the end of the day, you end up having a tremendous amount of overhead and no revenues coming in. What's so incredible about the Paycation opportunity as we go forward is that you're going to see that this is actually traditional business along with the business for the 21st century, which is network marketing. You can do Paycation travel just like a traditional travel agent. Make thousands and thousands of dollars booking travel with your friends, family, and people you do business with, and never go on to the network marketing side of things. However, if you combine the power of both, you can make thousands of dollars booking travel, and you can also make thousands and thousands of dollars with a network marketing concept and business model with Paycation. So it's truly a remarkable program. Now, let's talk about the RTC. The RTC is $99.95. That's your startup cost. But again, you have a monthly fee of $59.95 a month. And again, the $59.95 is already included in the $99.95 when you first get started. So really, it's $40 to get started as an RTC along with your $59.95. All right, so I hope I'm clear on that end. And that RTC, again, gives you the ability to still book travel on your booking engine and still book with the vendors. However, you just got to work it through our Extreme Travel agency. All right, so incredible opportunity, and we're going to talk about the benefits right now. Let's go. And now we understand what we're marketing, right? We understand we market travel. We have our booking engine, which is working through Priceline.com. So we can book anything and everything that Priceline does, okay? Let's break it down now, and let's start talking about something I really am excited about. It is the travel benefits. The travel benefits are just, they're incredible, guys. I'll tell you right now, if you don't get excited about this, I don't know what you get excited about, because I know that travel is the most searched keyword on the internet, all right? And travel is what most people who are working a 40-hour work week are looking forward to, because their jobs have only given them, 2 to 3 weeks out of the year to go on what we call a vacation, right? So having these benefits, and you're gonna be blown away as you look through the different benefits. I'm actually gonna take a pause here, and I actually want to show you on the website the different benefits that come with Paycation travel. Hey friends, are you guys ready to get into the benefits of being a travel agent with Paycation? These are the perks. These right here, guys, it's enough reason for many of us to want to be a part of Paycation just to get these travel benefits. So from our homepage, we see a travel club. We can click on travel club and just take a look overview of what we can have. So whether you're a CTC or an RTC, when you're part of the travel club, you've got member trips. You can go to Cancun, Cabo San Lucas, New York, Walt Disney World. These are specials that they have. With these specials, they're all inclusive. Some of them have airfare, some don't. Some include all the food. Some include tickets. They're just special discounted vacation packages. I really like the condos and the resorts. You can get away. Guys, I'm going to explain this very quickly to you. Let's just take the Royal Goa Beach Club in India. If you wanted to go to India, you can stay there for $118 for a 2-bedroom that sleeps 6 people for 7 nights for $118 for the entire week. That's not per person. That's not per night. That's $118 for the entire week. Let's take a look at that in more detail in our back office. So when you log into your back office, you're going to see a tab that says condos. This is my back office. And when we click on, for instance, Advantage Direct, one of the vendors, what we have is the ability to book travel within 60 days or within 12 months. And you can see last minute resorts. If you want to book a last minute resort and you want to head to Mexico, to the Riviera Maya, look at this. It's a private resort that sleeps 4 from January 3rd to January 10th for $224 for the entire week. So if you brought your entire family, you would only pay $224 for the entire week. Now, I know I took advantage of these opportunities already. I've been to the resorts in Orlando, Florida, and I only paid $128 for a 2-bedroom resort at the Westgate for the entire week. That was over $1,000 resort. I paid only $128 for the entire week. Now let's go look at where we can go. Let's take a look at Austria. If we apply the filter and we want to look for resorts in Austria last minute, we can see that we can go to Austria on January 10th, a studio that sleeps 2 for $282 for the entire week. What about, let's say we wanted to go to Canada and we wanted to go to, Fairmont Hot Springs and see what kind of resorts are there. Right here, Marble Canyon, it sleeps 12 people. Guys, listen to me. From January 8th to January 15th, 4 bedrooms, sleeps 12 people, a private resort for $282. Guys, let me tell you, I'm getting excited because who wouldn't want to be part of the travel club if you can take advantage of rates like this and stay at vacations like this? All right, let's get back to that back office. As a CTC, you also have access once you complete your training for the vendor list. So now you can register with all these different vendors, from flight vendors to condos to cruises. Let's just take a look at cruises. Guys, you can go here and register with Carnival and Celebrity and Disney. And let me tell you something. We have something called VIP cruises. What are VIP cruises? VIP cruises is where you call and connect with the travel agencies here in cruises, like Disney and so forth and so on, Carnival. Ask them if they have any last-minute cruises for travel agents called VIP cruises. If they do have space available, you can go on a cruise and just pay the taxes and the port fees. Just the taxes and the port fees. Imagine a 4-day cruise that normally will cost $500 to $1,000. And now you're paying $80 to $150 for that same cruise just because you're a travel agent. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the perks of being a travel agent. These are the perks of being a travel agent with Paycation Travel. So I definitely say the value of getting involved is already there just on the benefits. Let's get back to the compensation. Guys, are you excited? All those travel benefits with a travel club It's truly remarkable what you can do with this Paycation opportunity for you and your family, right, with those benefits. I had a blast going on my first vacation through Paycation, and I'll tell you, it's got me hooked. But let's go into what I really believe you're going to get super excited about, which is the compensation, right? The ability to change your family's lives. So let's break this down. There are two ways we get paid, or two major divisions, I should say, on how we get paid, and then we'll break down those divisions into those compensation plans. So those two divisions are simple. If this is you, you can sell travel, right? You can sell travel through your booking engine, or you can sell travel through working directly with the vendors, right, if you're a CTC. Now, you also have the opportunity to earn bonuses and residual income through our network marketing program. Or what I like to consider the business for the 21st century. So through network marketing or direct sales, you have the opportunity to build a business if you do choose so, but you don't have to, because again, it's two parts, guys. You can just sell travel and work just like a regular travel agent, and what's so nice about it is Paycation understands that, and they actually gave you a website that looks just like Expedia, just like Travelocity, just like Priceline, where it only has the booking engine. So you have a website which only when a customer sees it, all they see is travel, travel, travel. They don't see anything about the opportunity. So if you decide that that's just what you want to focus on, absolutely that's fine. If you decide that you want to focus on both, again, that's fine. I definitely say take advantage of the entire opportunity, but that's up to you. So let's move forward. Let's first talk about the first division, when we sell travel. When we send people to our booking engine, how does this thing work, right? And I just want to break down the relationships. So this is you, and this is your customer, and this is your booking engine, okay, your website that they can book travel on. So what then happens is you talk to your customer, tell them to go to your website. The customer then goes and books their travel. And let's say, just an example, they decide to book a travel vacation with, let's say, Princess Cruise Line. So they book it, they book with Princess, right, Cruises, and they got their cruise booked with Princess. And this is just an example, guys. There's no way for us to determine the actual percentage of what the vendors will pay to Paycation, because there's just so many vendors out there. But in this example, we have Princess Cruise Line. What then will happen is Princess Cruise Line will pay a commission to Paycation. So that commission could be anywhere, I'm just guessing, 5% to 15%, right? I don't know what that commission will be, because every vendor has a different rate with Paycation travel. So in this situation, whatever that percentage is of commission that's paid to Paycation, what you're going to receive is 75% of that commission. So for instance, if the vendor pays out 10% of the travel that was booked to Paycation, you will receive, as a CTC, you will receive 75% of the commissions that were paid to Paycation. So hopefully you guys understand that relationship. That's awesome. Imagine you keep sending customers there, all these different vendors that they start booking with, right? Hilton Hotels, Sandals Resorts, Hertz Rent-A-Car, and whatever they pay commissions to Paycation, you receive 75%. That's pretty amazing. Now, as an RTC, the entire thing works the same. The only difference is that as an RTC, you're going to make 65%, all right, of the commission that's paid to Paycation. So it's a 10% difference, guys. So 65% instead of 75%. If you're in a country that only has the ability to sign up as RTC, then you're looking at this number, 65%. Okay? So focus on that number if you're an RTC. Now, let's move on to doing business with vendors. Guys, if we remove the booking engine, okay, if we remove the booking engine, things change. First of all, we're going to work directly with the vendors in this situation. All right? So when we work directly with the vendors, and that's you have a customer, you're going to work directly with the vendor. So in this case, you're working directly with Disney Cruise Line. Right? I'm going to give you an example. We work directly with Disney Cruise Line. We book the travel, we call Disney, we set everything up. We can even determine whether we elevate or decrease the rate as long as we're adding a commission in there. And what's going to happen then is that customer is going to get the best deal possible through Disney Cruise Line. You're going to do the work, and whatever Disney pays to Paycation, again, whatever that rate is, this time it's listed. You'll have a manual where it lists all the different percentages. You'll know what commissions are being paid to Paycation, and as a CTC, you are now going to make 75% of the commissions paid to Paycation again. So the only difference is now you're working directly with Disney. You're not sending them to your booking engine. You're gonna know what commissions are. You're gonna get those commissions. Whatever's paid to Paycation, you're gonna receive 75% as a CTC. This is the portion that the RTCs cannot do at this time. Only the CTCs can do this. However, what the RTCs can do is they can still work with the vendors, but they have to work through Extreme Travel. So if you're an RTC, what you then have to do is work with Extreme Travel. They will work with the vendors. They will get a commission, and now you will receive 20% of the commissions. So because Extreme Travel is doing all the work, all you're doing is referring the client to Extreme Travel. They will do all the work working with Disney and the vendors. The commissions get paid out to Paycation, and you're going to earn 20% of that. And this works for both RTCs and CTCs. So even if you're a CTC and you don't want to go through the work of booking with the vendor, you can refer it to Extreme Travel. They'll do the work, and now you'll make 20% of the commissions that are paid to Paycation. But if you're an RTC, this is also the way you can earn income when booking travel. So guys, it's amazing how much money you can make with Paycation. Now, I'm just going to go ahead, and we're not going to go through a lot of numbers on this, but we're just going to discuss it. But just think about this. You have a family reunion. There's 30 of you. You're able to get a great deal, $500 each on a 5 or 7 day cruise. You book that travel as a CTC. You take 30 people times 500. You got $15,000 booking right there. Let's just say 10% of it is paid out to Paycation, right? So you got $1,500 in commissions on the table. And guess what? If you did all the work, right, you booked that travel, you're going to get 75% as a certified travel agent. You're going to get 75% of that $1,500. So that's pretty awesome, right? Booking travel with your family, getting them good deals, and at the same time, you generate revenues. Do that 4 or 5 times a year, guys. That's some pretty good extra income. Treat it like a business. You're going to make thousands and thousands of dollars just on the travel side of things. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and move forward, take a short break right now, and when I get back, we're going to move forward into the what I call the business for the 21st century, or network marketing side of Paycation Travel. And this is going to be exciting, so don't miss it. Hey family, welcome back. I'm so excited. We're going to jump right into the compensation plan here on Paycation. It's truly going to excite you, and I guarantee you're going to wonder, where does all this money come from? And guys, it's just pure mathematics, where it's coming from, as well as the fact that we have something called crossover marketing. Basically, that means that Extreme Travel does business with other companies out there like credit unions, non-for-profits, at other corporations, and what happens is the business that they do on that end, the revenues are actually, some of the revenues are brought over to the Paycation side to go ahead and pay out some of these incredible bonuses, since they're all under the same umbrella of David Manning, which he owns both companies. So that's where all this revenues are coming from, is that from our startup costs, from our monthly dues, as well as crossover marketing, which has never been done before in this industry, and that's what's so exciting. And David Manning does a better explanation of that on his video. So if you want to learn about crossover marketing, just head over to what Mr. David Manning, our CEO and founder, does on his presentation. So let's get into this. I'm actually going to kind of jump into the middle part of the compensation program right now, because I really believe this is not only the heart and soul of Paycation Travel's compensation program, but what it differentiates us from traditional network marketing companies out there. This is a multi-dimensional compensation plan, ladies and gentlemen. I do want to help you understand it's multi-dimensional. When I go through this, we need to separate each compensation plan on its own so you can truly understand and appreciate it. And this part of the multi-dimensional compensation plan, this is called the 3x7 matrix. And why it's so different is that in traditional network marketing, your downline, the people that you sponsor that join your business, usually are the ones that are going to generate the revenues to help you earn extra income, where you leverage your time and maximize your income through exponential growth, okay, of the people that are below you. However, in the 3x7 matrix, the uplines, the people above you, actually now will help you generate revenues. So if you're not a good recruiter, if you're a person who struggles in talking to people, but you love the network marketing model and you would love to leverage your time and maximize your income, this is the right place for you, because the 3x7 matrix is going to allow your entire upline organization to now support your downline organization to stabilize your business, to help you make money on a long-term basis, and it's really going to change your lives, okay? So let's jump into the 3x7 matrix. First of all, why is it a 3x7 matrix? Because a 3x7 matrix, basically, this is you, and you on your first level, this is level number 1, the maximum you can have on level 1 is 3 individuals, all right? 3 people, 3 business partners on level 1. Now, I want to make something clear right from the beginning. In order to earn from the 3x7 matrix, from levels 1, 2, 3, and 4, you must sponsor 1 person, all right? So you must sponsor just 1 person in order to earn on this 3x7 matrix. I think that's very doable, right? Now, when you sponsor 1 person, you're going to ask me this question. Well, how am I going to get 3 people on my first level if all I've done was sponsor 1 person? Well, again, guys, this is where it's so awesome. Because if you're the person that struggles in recruiting or enrolling other people to join your business, guess what? You're going to get some help. So in this 3x7 matrix, this is you, and you have, I'm going to call this your upline with an S. And why do I say with an S? Because it's everybody. It's not just the person above you, but it's everybody above them. All right? Since all of us can only have 3 people, what happens, and I'll just give you an example. If this is your direct upline, and he already or she already has 3 people, right? You're the second person, and there's another person here. So she already has 3 people, or he already has 3 people, and now there's a 4th person. Let's call this person Joe. Your upline has Joe. Joe wants to join the business. Joe joins into the system. Guess what? The system, the computer, guys, this is a fair model. It's called a 3x7 force matrix. So the computer will look for the next open spot and put it. Well, it so happens to be the next open spot is right here below you. So guess what? Joe is now going to go in your 3x7 matrix, and you're now going to get paid on Joe when he joins your matrix. And let's say, for instance, this individual up here, right? Your direct upline already has with their his or her first two individuals. You're the second one, right? So they brought in one, brought in the second one, which is you, brought in the third. Those two individuals, guess what? They're fantastic. They're movers and shakers. They've already filled up their first level. But now your upline has another person to put in. Let's call that person Susie. Well, guess what? Susie wants to join the system. They come in, and here we go. The next open spot just so happens to be you again. So now Susie's going to go here. And this process continues. If you decide that you can't, you're struggling, don't worry. Over time, this spillover effect will come in and will start filling up your levels over time. Now, I'll tell you guys right now, you may first say, okay, well, this is going to cause you to be very lazy. Let me get one person and sit back, right? But bottom line is, it's the nature of the business is you want to make money and you want to make it happen fast, right? You're starting to see this thing work. You're getting excited. You're making income. You're going to kick it in the next gear. You're going to start sharing with your friends and family, and it's going to get you off the couch because now you know that this thing works. You're making money. You're not only helping yourself, you're getting help from your uplines, and you're saying, you know what? No way. I'm getting off my couch, and I'm going to make this thing happen even faster. So that's why I really believe that even though we're going to help you build your business, if you struggle, at the same time as we help you kickstart your business, you're going to go crazy and you're going to start marketing this Paycation opportunity. Does that make sense? So let's get into the numbers now. This spillover, guys, it's amazing. The uplines helping the downlines. That's tremendous in the network marketing industry. Unheard of. So let's go ahead and look at the numbers now. Let's take a look at this 3x7 matrix and its numbers. So on level number 1, this is you, this is your matrix. On level number 1, you make $2 per person, okay? So on level 1, it pays out $2 per person. So we have 3 individuals on level 1. That means 3 times 2, you're making $6 every single month off of your first level in the matrix. On your second level in the matrix, remember, each of them, they're going to get 3, right? That's their first level, so they're going to get 3 each. Well, that's your second level, so the maximum you can have is 9. Well, on the second level, it pays out $6 per person. So now you're generating $54 a month off of your second level. Now, I need to take a break. This is so important. Ladies and gentlemen, friends, family, please pay close attention to what I'm about to say, because at 54 plus 6 is $60 a month in monthly residual income. Now, if you're making $60 a month in monthly residual income, and your overhead is $59.95 a month. Guys, just do the math. You're making $60 a month. Your business costs $59.95 a month. Your business is free. F-R-E-E. Guys, this is powerful. Just by filling up 2 levels of your matrix, and your uplines actually help you do that, you are now making more than what it costs for you to stay in the business and own a business. Isn't that amazing? And Paycation even takes it up another notch. Because what they do is, since your money is going into what we call e-wallet, it's an online account, right? E-wallet. Now, I don't want to confuse you. E-wallet's where the money goes into. You can have that money transferred to direct deposit, to a prepaid MasterCard, or even a check mailed to your home. So you have those options. But the money goes to the e-wallet. Here's what's exciting. If you have commissions greater than $59.95, Paycation will just take your monthly dues and take it out of your e-wallet account, so you'll never see it come out of your personal bank account or your credit or debit card, because now they're taking it out of your e-wallet account. So not only do you have a business that's free based on your 2 levels of your matrix, but you never even see any expenses come out of your personal account. That's pretty powerful. So guys, right here alone, this is going to cause something that the direct sales and network marketing industry has never been able to truly do, which is cause something called retention. We're going to cause retention. Right now, my leaders organization, after 1 year, our numbers are just tremendous. Here's what it is. What we found is that if a person comes into the business and they enroll just one person into their Paycation business, just one business partner, right? And that business partner does a training, the CTA training, which takes about an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours, really simple. But what we found is when that person accrues one person, our organization right now is having an 86% retention rate. That means nobody's quitting the business. That means people are staying in the business. Guys, in network marketing, when the retention rates are 20, 25%, and now we bump it up to 86%, we can now build something truly long-lasting. When this starts to grow and your organization starts to expand, guess what? And they stay because not only are they getting tremendous benefits off of travel for their own family, right? You guys saw that, right? Most people will do this business just for the travel benefits alone. But now when they're making more money than what it costs, why would they ever quit? Guys, I really want you to focus on that part. Why would you quit a business when it's profitable, right? Nobody does. And that's why our retention rate is. And that's why we are at a ground floor opportunity. This is your opportunity to really change your family's life and become a multi-millionaire, because no one is going to say no to you when they see how powerful not only and exciting the program is with the travel, but how quickly we can get a return of investment and get our monies and overheads paid off. Guys, I know I spent a lot of time here. Just want to make sure this is very clear to you. Now, let's move forward with the 3x7 matrix and show you the rest of the income here. So, in the 3x7, they call it 3x7 because you can only have 3 in your first level, and you go 7 generations down. Now, with the 7 generations down, it pays out like this. 3rd level, $2. 4th level, $2 per person. 5th level, $8. 6th level, $8. And 7th level, $8. Now, what are the requirements? To get paid on levels 1 through 4, remember you need to sponsor 1 CTC or RTC, right, into the business. Just 1. In order to get paid on level 5, you need to sponsor a total of 3. You already have 1, just get 2 more. To get paid on level 6, you need to sponsor a total of 6. And to get paid on level 7, that is a total of 10. Total of 10 enrolled CTCs or RTCs to get paid on all the levels. Remember, just 1 to get paid on levels 1 through 4. So you do the numbers, but guys, I'll put a screenshot right next to me here so you can see the entire 3x7 plan, so I don't have to write it down. Alright, so, but take a look at this. $25,000, over $25,000 a month on your 3x7 matrix. This is just one component of this multi-dimensional compensation plan. And again, it's the plan where the uplines help the downlines. It's the plan where you can quickly get back your return of investment. And it's the plan in this compensation that really, I believe, is going to cause everybody to stay. All right? So what I want to do is just move on to the next part of our compensation plan. And I'm going to take you through every step of the way to show you the major benefits of the rest of this multi-dimensional compensation program here at Paycation Travel. Hi friends and family, we're going to jump right into it. We're going to talk about the direct sales commissions. Now, there's over 20 ways to get paid in Paycation compensation program. I'm only going to focus on the major ones. Honestly, with the travel benefits already that we shared with you, as well as the 3x7 matrix, that should be enough to get you excited to get involved with and join our team. But if you want to see how true wealth is created, I'm going to break this down and separate the major components of our program. So let's start with the direct sales. It's really simple. The direct sales starts off with you and every person that you enroll, sponsor, recruit, whatever you want to call it, you're going to make a one-time direct sales commission. Now, it doesn't matter what your position is. Guys, here's what I want to make clear. So excited about this. Paycation has developed a compensation program that creates an equal playing field. Guys, I'm going to do that again. Equal playing field. All right, I know you're laughing at me, but it's really exciting. Why? Because that equal playing field is different again from traditional network marketing companies. You've got to work your way up that ladder to start earning better and better and better income. Well, Paycation says no. From the moment you get involved, we're going to pay you just like you've been in the business for those other companies for a long time. We're going to make this an equal playing field. So a majority of our compensation plan is going to be the same from the person who joins on day one than the person who's been in this deal for 5 or 6 years. All right? So that's really important. So when this is you, regardless, it doesn't matter if you are a CTC or an RTC. It does not matter what position you are. All right? So if you're in the Philippines, or you're in Australia, or in the United States, or the UK, whatever your position is, CTC or RTC, when you enroll a person, all right, you're going to make a direct sales commission. Now, there are two different direct sale commissions. There is a $50 one-time direct sale commission, and there is a $25 one-time direct sales commission. Well, what's the difference? It depends on who you bring in. So if you bring in Joe as somebody you bring on, he's a recruit, enroll, sponsor, whatever you want to call it, you bring Joe in the business, Joe can have a decision to make. He has to decide whether he's a CTC or RTC. If he's in a different country like the Philippines or Australia or New Zealand, he may have to only have that one option of becoming an RTC. So if you bring in Joe and Joe becomes a CTC, you're going to make a $50 direct sales commission. If Joe becomes an RTC, wherever that may be, you're going to make a $25 direct sale commission. So that's the difference. CTC, if they sign up as a CTC, you make $50. If they sign up as an RTC, you make $25 commission. And that's for every person that you bring. So if you bring in 1 million people, 1,000 people, 10 people, and you brought them in, you're going to either make a $50 one-time commission or a $25 one-time commission based on how they signed up. All right? So that's the direct sales. Now we're going to get into the coded bonuses. This is truly amazing and exciting, and I need you guys to really grasp the concept of coded bonuses as we move forward here. So this is you right here, and we need to determine who's coded to you. So the first two individuals that you bring in, Joe and Susie, that you bring into the business, they're not coded to you. All right? I just want to make sure you understand that. The first two people that you bring in are not coded to you. The third person that you bring in, let me bring in a different colored marker here. The third person that you bring in, let's call that AJ. AJ is coded to you. All right? Your third person. Your fourth person, Sam, is coded to you. Your fifth person, Lori, is coded to you. Every person after your second, right, starting with your third, your fourth, your fifth, your sixth, your seventh, and to infinity, they are now coded to you. All right? So, what does that mean? What does that mean? Well, let's break it down. First of all, we're going to assume that that these individuals right here signed up, and we're going to do two examples. One, they all signed up as CTCs, and one, they all signed up as RTCs. Let's first start with CTCs. So if they all signed up as a CTC, that means you're going to make a $50 one-time commission of each individual, right? But when they're coded to you, you're going to earn an additional bonus called coded bonus. So on all of the people that are coded to you, you're going to make an additional $20. So So that means when you brought AJ or recruited AJ into the business, you now make 70. Same with Sam and Lori. Then everybody that you bring on board, you're going to make at least $70 at that point on when they all sign up as CTCs. All right? Now, here's the thing. This gets really exciting because then what happens is when AJ, okay, when AJ signs up his first two people in the business, right? They're both coded to you. The first two, remember, the first two that AJ brought in were not coded to AJ. They were coded to you. That means you're going to earn an additional $20 in coded bonuses from those two individuals that AJ brought in. And then what happens, it continues. Their first two people that they bring in, and their first two people that they bring in, and their first two people that they bring in, and it continues down to infinity. Guys, it never ends. As this starts to grow and grow massively, you're making these one-time $20 coded bonuses all over the place. That's a tremendous amount of income, right? So now you're making coded bonuses off of AJ's team. You're making coded bonuses off of Sam's team. You're making coded bonuses off of Lori's team. It's incredible how much coded bonuses that you earn. Now, let's change it up. Let's say everybody here, right? Everybody here signed up as a RTC. Instead of a CTC, they signed up as an RTC. Guys, just cut it in half. It's really simple. So instead of making, and I'll erase these for you so you don't get these numbers confused. There we go. So instead of making $50 in direct sales, everybody signed up as an RTC. We know we're making $25, right, on our direct sales. Right? We make $25 on our direct sales. But now on the coded bonuses, we are now making $10. So it's half. So if they all sign up as RTCs, we're making 10s. So just change those to 10s. Everything you see here are now $10 one-time coded bonuses. The only difference. Now, can you have a mixture of RTCs and CTCs? Absolutely. So if Sam signed up as a CTC, it would be 50 and 20. And if this person down here signed up as a CTC, that would be 20 for you instead. If this person signed up as a CTC, it would be 20 for you. So again, hope you understand that. It's not based on you, it's based on whatever they sign up as, and that will pay out either a $50 or $25 direct sale, and then a $20 or $10 coded bonus. Right? So a tremendous amount of income that grows to infinity on all these organizations, on all these individuals that you bring on board. Truly amazing. That's the coded bonus. Guys, it's going to get even better. All right? All right, friends. We're going to what we call the matching coded bonus. Now that you guys know what coded means, we're going to talk about the matching coded bonus. So, again, this is you. And you have Joe, Susie, and AJ, and Sam. So we know that AJ and Sam are coded to you, but Joe and Susie are not. But in the matching coded bonuses, I want you guys to understand how this works. So when AJ brings in two individuals, they're not coded to him, right? They're coded to you. But when AJ brings in his third, that now becomes coded to AJ. Same thing that happens to Sam. Remember, the first two are coded to you, but the third is coded to Sam. And now, this starts doing the same thing that happened to you for them. So now they're starting to earn their coded bonuses just like you were, right? So they're really happy. Their business is growing. But guess what's so exciting? It also happens to Susie and Joe. Susie and Joe, they start having a business where their third person is coded to them, and that starts to grow. Right? So everybody's business is growing tremendously. But here's what's so exciting. If Joe, Susie, AJ, and Sam start earning coded bonuses, Paycation is going to do a matching. Here's the matching. If AJ makes $1,000 this week in coded bonuses, right? Makes 1,000. AJ makes 1,000. Paycation is going to match 100%, and they're going to pay you a paycheck for $1,000 as well. So now you're getting $1,000 matching coded bonus on whatever AJ earns in his coded bonus income. That goes for Sam as well, and everybody else that you personally recruit after that. So what happens is Sam goes out here and makes $500 in coded bonus, you are going to make $500 in coded bonus. How powerful is that, guys? The more people you bring in, you're going to get to match their paycheck on those coded bonuses. That's exciting, isn't it? But guess what? On Joe and Susie, they were your first two individuals you brought in. Now, they're not coded to you, and you're not earning their coded bonuses that they grow down here. But guess what? Paycation really is awesome because they said, since you're not earning the coded bonuses, we're going to up the matching for you. So when Joe and Susie, you want to help them grow. Why do you want to help them grow their business? Because when Joe and Susie start making a tremendous amount of income, this is what happens. When Joe starts making $1,000 in coded bonuses this week, Paycation is going to pay you 150% of this, which is $1,500 in coded bonus. It's even more money than what Joe's making. So Joe makes $1,000 this week on coded bonuses. You're going to get a check for $1,500 in coded bonuses, and that goes the same for Susie. So if Susie makes $2,000 in coded bonuses this week or this month, you're going to make $3,000 in coded bonuses this week or this month. So that's pretty exciting, isn't it? 150%. You know, Paycation developed a compensation plan, this multi-dimensional compensation plan based on helping everyone. You want to help everyone generate a tremendous amount of income. So the matching coded bonus is head and shoulders superior above everything else in the industry because now you're getting paid on what the people are earning that you bring in. Hey friends, we're going to move on to what we call now the residual coded bonus. Now I want to make it clear that from this point on, from the last part where we saw the residual or the matching coded bonuses, you know, it doesn't matter if you're a CTC or RTC, you're going to get all those matching coded bonuses just the same. 150% on your first two and 100% on everybody else that's coded to you that you personally sponsor. Now, we're moving on to the residual coded bonus. This is based on the monthly fee. Every time your business partners are all paying their $59.95, residual bonus is paid out. Now, again, I got to be clear for some of you guys who are in other network marketing companies out there, what differentiates Paycation from them, again, is you don't have to climb the ladder to increase your percentage of your residual income. It's even playing field. Everybody receives the same amount. So it's really simple to understand. So when you get a coded person to you, remember, we understand what coded is. So when AJ, Sam, and Lori are coded to you, you're going to now make an additional $3.20 a month. All right? $3.20 a month. So you're going to make $3.20 off of AJ, $3.20 off of Sam, and $3.20 off of Lori every single month. Now, that goes for all of the people that are coded to you. Remember, AJ's first two are coded to you, and Sam's are coded to you, and the first two Lori's are coded, and goes down, and so forth and so on. And so all those individuals that are coded to you, they're each worth $3.20 a month. As I don't know if you can see, I know it's kind of small, but just understand that they're all worth $3.20 a month. What I want to do is I want to just give you a screenshot of something that I put together so you can understand the magnitude and the growth of how this grows, because this grows to infinity. It grows to infinity. And now you're making monthly residual income off of everyone who's coded to you. So if you take a look right here at the screenshot I'm going to put on, guys, take a look at this screenshot. Isn't this incredible? Thousands of dollars. This is over $12,000 in monthly residual income off of this residual coded bonus. And remember, you're earning this off of AJ, Sam, Lori, everyone that you personally bring on board as coded to you. You're making all this monthly residual income. Isn't that incredible? Friends, now we're going to get into what's called the matching residual coded bonus. Again, the key word is matching residual coded bonus. Now, as we know, we understand how the program works now. Guess what, guys? Notice that all the colors are the same. I put here Joe, Susie, AJ, Samuel, Lori. They're all your personal recruits, right? You brought them in. Here's something that's exciting with this program. Everyone that you bring in, doesn't matter, to infinity, as all the people that you bring in this business, as they start building their organizations and they start earning coded income on their own, and they started earning coded residual income, right? These $3.20. So on Joe's third leg or fourth leg and fifth leg, he starts making all these 320s a month. Susie starts earning the 320s. AJ, Sam, and Lori start making all this monthly residual income each and every month. Your team is just hyped. They're excited. They're just so thankful that you brought them in this business. How are you going to get rewarded? Watch. So when Joe, guys, this is exciting. When Joe makes $1,000 a month in residual income month after month, based on this residual coded bonus, Paycation is going to give you 100% match. Yes, you heard me right. 100% match. So when Joe earns $1,000, you're going to earn $1,000 a month residual income month after month. When Susie goes out here and is earning $500 a month on residual income off of all these 320s, guess what? You're going to be earning $500 a month. If AJ's earning $800 a month, you're earning $800 a month. Let's say Sam is a superstar. Sam's making, guys, I'm going to bump it up. Sam is making $10,000 a month in residual income. Guess what? Paycation is going to pay you $10,000 a month in residual income and match you off of Sam's coded residual bonuses. Guys, this is amazing. Add all of your monthly residual income. You're already making it off of your own codes, right, that everybody's coded to you. But now when your direct recruits, when they start earning residual income, Paycation is going to match their paycheck and pay you 100% matching program. Guys, I don't know about you, but this is why I believe Paycation is going to be the biggest direct sales, network marketing, travel company in the entire world, because we are global. We can do business with anyone and everyone all across the world. That's exciting. Friends, we're going to move on into the team bonus section. On this, I just want to show you a screenshot. Guys, this is only one of the few areas where positions actually make a difference, where you can earn extra income based on your position. So everything that we've seen so far up to this date really is open to everyone who comes on board from day one. But on team bonuses, as you can see here, and I'm going to pop that screen on right now, is on team bonuses, you can see how you work up the ladder from CTC to executive to regional to national to international to presidential. It's just based on your requirements. Executive is 3, regional 6 personal recruits, national is 10, international is 15, and presidential is 20. Now, couple of other requirements for international and presidential is that in order to be international, not only do you need 15 personally sponsored recruits, but you also have to have 3 nationals. Those are the people who brought in 10, right? And you have to have 1 national in a separate leg. So basically you will need 3 people that you brought into business, and in their organization there's a national, 1 national in each one. And that will bring you up to that international position. And on that international position, you're also going to earn a lifestyle bonus of an extra $600 a month, as you can see here. And on the international, it's basically the same thing. 20 personal recruits, you'll need 3 internationals, 1 in separate legs, and that'll give you $1,000 in lifestyle bonuses as well. Now, what's so exciting about team bonuses is the fact that when you hit that regional position, now you're making $5 extra one-time commissions on everybody that joins your organization. So as long as this is you and there are no other regionals, guess what? Everybody that joins, you're making an extra $5. National is an extra 10. International, an extra 15. And presidential, an extra 20. All those numbers add up to basically more and more revenues for you and your family. All right, that adds up to thousands and thousands of dollars as it starts to continue to grow. Now, what I really want to get involved with is the next one, and that's what I call it, the game changer, the life changer for your family, and it's going to change, and you're going to leave a legacy behind because of this next page. Hey family, I'm so excited about this next part and ending of our compensation plan. It's called the Diamond Bonus. This is where you're going to change your family's life and their lives and their family's lives. You're going to leave a legacy behind based on this bonus. This bonus is on top of everything else that you're earning. Okay? This is called the Diamond Bonus position. And what happens here is, let's start off, and I want to show you a screenshot of the entire payout on the Diamond Bonus. So here it is right here. And guys, is that amazing? At Executive Diamond, you're guaranteed $1,000 a month. At Regional Diamond, you're guaranteed $2,000 a month. At National Diamond, you're guaranteed $5,000 a month. All the way up to $500,000 a month at 5-star Presidential Diamond. Now, how do we get this bonus? It's really simple. Let's start off with the Executive Diamond position. All you need is, first you need to have 3 separate individuals that you sponsor into the business. That will make you an executive, right? 3 people make you an executive. In this example, you have the 3. Now, you need 300 people on your team to hit that $1,000 mark, right? That $1,000 month bonus. Well, we do have 3 people, and we do have more than 300. Because in Joe's organization, there's 500. In Susie's, there's 200. And in AJ's, there's 400. So that's a total of 1,100 people on your team. However, you can only take 35% of the 300 from any one leg. So if we take 300 times 35%, you can only take 105 from each leg to make up the 300. So in Joe, out of this 500, we can take 105. Out of Susie's 200, we can take 105. And AJ's, we can take 105, but we only need 90 more, so we'll take 90. So that equals 300. Now you qualify, as long as those individuals are paying their $59.95 a month, you now qualify for that $1,000 a month bonus. Well, guys, that's tremendous, right? That's just tremendous. Now, do you qualify for the regional? Well, you kind of almost are there. Why? Because based on this scenario, 500 times 35% is 175. Well, you have more than 175 in Joe's organization. You have more than 175 in Susie's, as well as AJ's, but you need to have at least 6 direct sponsored recruits, okay? You need 6 people that you brought in the business. So if you bring in 3 more people direct to you in this business, right? Whether or not they're growing it or not, it doesn't matter. As long as they're paying their $59.95 a month, you have 6 people. Now you have enough people. So now you can take 175 from here. I'll give you a different color. 175 from this organization, 175 here, and 175 here. And guess what? Ladies and gentlemen, you have now reached the regional diamond position that guarantees you $2,000 a month in income. How does that change your family's life? Upon all the other bonuses and residual income. And guys, again, bear with me. We are getting travel benefits at deep discounts, right? We're getting benefits where as travel agents, we can travel for as low as 60, 70, 80, 90% off the rack rates if we're able to take advantage of any of those travel that's in our travel benefits program. Guys, this is a life-changing opportunity. I want to kind of give you a little bit of insight on where we are right now with Paycation. Paycation is about a 14-month-old company at this point in time. We have a little bit under 14,000 reps right now in our company. It's growing rapidly. This is a ground floor opportunity. You can do this business if you're in the Philippines, in Asia, Australia, Canada, Africa. I don't care. All you need to be is 18 years old. You need to have a valid address, and you need to have a debit card, credit card, something so that you can pay your startup cost and your $59.95 a month. That's all you need. Guys, that's tremendous. Now, if you're in the United States and you make over $600 a month, you're going to receive a 1099, all right, for your tax purposes. If you're in another country and you're listening and you're watching this video, it's up to you to declare your earnings to your government, all right? It's up to you to make that decision. Your Paycation is going to pay your commissions. It's up to you to go ahead and now declare that, all right? It's your responsibility. So, guys, I don't know about you, but this is the best business opportunity, bar none, anywhere across the planet. And you want to be here now. You've heard these stories of people in the industry of network marketing who've made millions and millions of dollars. But one thing they have in common is a majority of those, and not all, but a majority of those people got on the ground floor. They got on the deal before the deal got popular. And guys, with a retention rate of 86% in our first year on my leadership team, right? It's going to be tremendous. My leader, when I say my leadership team, I mean the people above me who've been in this business for over a year. They're getting these kinds of numbers right now. All right? So Paycation is a tremendous opportunity, a tremendous vehicle for your family to create success. What I urge you to do is get with the person who introduced you to this opportunity, talk to them, get any questions you have answered. And guys, I believe I've done a detailed explanation of this opportunity and compensation. That really the only thing that you need to do is take action. Go ahead, get on that person's website, hit join us now, find out what country you live in, right? Fill out that one-page application and start making your dreams a reality. This is Mike Rivera. I'm going to see you on the beaches of the world, if not at the beach, at the bank. Have a great day.